This recipe na i-share ko sa inyo is very innovative, super fluffy, and super yummy na recipe na sure ako na ma-enjoy ng family ninyo. Halika at turuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ang recipe na to na hindi lamang mga drinks ang ating Japanese matcha by Family's Choice, kundi pwede rin natin ito gamitin sa mga baked products natin. Umpisa na natin. And for today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng Japanese matcha cupcake. Gamit syempre ang ating Artisanal Japanese Matcha by Family's Choice. Para sa ating recipe, kakailanganin natin ng 1.5 cup of our Artisanal Japanese Matcha by Family's Choice, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 4 pieces of eggs, medium size lang ha, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of butter. So let's start by creaming our butter. So mas maganda kung ang butter natin ay room temp. And then, isama na natin ang ating granulated sugar. Ayan, naging fluffy na at light color na yung ating butter and sugar. Pwede na natin i-add yung ating vanilla mixture or vanilla. 1 tablespoon yan. Pwede na natin siyang i-mix lang ng ganito. And also our vinegar. Let's keep on adding our eggs. One at a time. Using syempre natin ang ating hand mixer again. This time we have to keep on mixing using our hand mixer until sa mag-volume na siya at maging super fluffy na ang ating mixture. Kasi the more na imimix natin ito, mas lalo siyang aalsa o mas maging maganda yung ating magiging mixture dito. Kasi mapapansin niyo yung ingredients natin ay hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga leavening agent natin katulad ng ating baking powder and baking soda. I will keep on doing this until maging super fluffy na siya and lahat ng ingredients natin is well incorporated na. Once na lahat ng ating ingredients is well incorporated na sa ating mixture, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating dry ingredients. Combined ang ating sifted dapat na all-purpose flour and our matcha powder. Okay, so once na i-add na natin yung ating all-purpose flour and our artisanal Japanese matcha here sa mixture natin, huwag na tayong gumamit ng ating stand mixer, no? Or hand mixer. Ang gagamitin na lang natin ay ang ating spatula to mix and incorporate all our ingredients. Kasi from this point, ayaw natin na ma-overmix na yung ating all-purpose flour kasi ayaw natin mag-develop ng gluten sa ating mixture. Make sure lang na once na nag-start ka ng gawin ito is ma-mix mo siya properly. Wala tayong lumpses, wala tayong buo-buo na ma-create dito sa ating mixture. Look how green ang color ng ating Japanese matcha. Ang ganda, di ba? We don't need to add food color on this. Kuha na kasi yung pagka-green ng ating matcha. At saka, ang dami natin mga ingredients na hindi na nilagay dito katulad ng mga leaveners natin. No more leaveners. At saka mga flavoring na sobrang dami. Kasi as is na siya, pwedeng-pwede na. So imagine mo, ang ginagamit natin na ingredients dito is pang mga milk tea natin. But now, we can also use it already for our baked products, katulad ng ginagawa natin ngayon. So, we'll be needing, of course, our ice cream scooper. Gamit ko dito is 5 ounce gamit na cupcake liner dito. So, 1 scoop each ang ginagawa ko. It's up to you kung gaano kadami yung like mo. Pero sa akin, 1 scoop and that's good na. Just like that. So, ito na yung ating cupcake. So, itatap ko lang ng konti para mas mag-settle yung ating mga cupcakes sa loob. And then, we were now going to bake this for at least 30 minutes. I-bake natin siya at 150 degrees Celsius sa ating oven. And then, we will do the toothpick test for the doneness ng ating recipe today. At ito na ang ating artisanal Japanese matcha cupcake brought to you by our Family's Choice. O, ayan, di ba? Okay. Kitang-kita na din. Very flat yung finish. Ang ginamit ko lamang dito ay ang ating 1/2 cup of ice cold water. Nandito na po siya. Ang 1 cup po natin ng artisanal whipping cream and also our 2 tablespoons of our artisanal red velvet powdered mix. So, i-mix lang natin yung ating whipping cream until maging fluffy na siya at saka mag-double na yung kanyang consistency and magiging malapot na yung ating mixture. I hope you enjoy our tutorial for today using our Family's Choice artisanal product, the Japanese matcha, our red velvet powder mix, and also our artisanal whipping cream. Until my next tutorial, and enjoy our delicious, yummy looking, and elegantly finished Japanese matcha cupcake. Till our next videos. Bye!